Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. But let me start with the binary first. It's binary time, yes. And this one will be number 9402. 9402, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. That's a lot. 17. And what kind of puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here. Wow, overlooked. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Let me see. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.